I want to show you how to file a tax extension for free. This is regarding 2019 taxes in 2020. We're currently in 2020. Your 2019 taxes, they're automatically extended until July 15th. Therefore, you can file your tax return July 15th without any penalty. If you have a balance due, you can have that paid July 15th without any penalty. The extension to July 15th was automatic. You did not have to do anything. You do not have to do anything. It's automatic. This is regarding the form 4868. If you want an extension, if you want a tax extension to go to October 15th, then you need to fill out the form 4868. This is due July 15th. So if you're watching this after April 15th, but before July 15th, then don't freak out. You can still file the extension to get you the October 15th extension deadline. So you're good. I'm going to show you how. If you're watching this after July 15th, you're not good. You should freak out because you're late. You can't file an extension anymore. So do your taxes as quickly as possible to stop the penalty and interest from accruing. Therefore, probably the rest of this video is completely irrelevant and applicable to you, so don't even watch this video. Okay, let's go to the screen grab. We are starting off at good old Google. Let's type in form 4868. This is the extension form. We're going to look for it from the IRS website. Here it is. You're going to be looking for irs.gov. Let's blow this up a little bit so you can see better. This is the 2019 form. Remember, just be sure to be using the right form. This is 4 pages long. All you need is this. That's it. This little 1/3 sheet of a paper. Type in your name, address, enter in your social. This is not my social. Wait. There you go. If you're married, type in your spouse's social security number here. They're asking for your estimates of what you think your tax liability will be. Honestly, you do not need to input anything here. You can leave it blank, or you can write zeros all the way down. Doesn't matter. If you're sending in a payment, like a check, with this extension request, with this extension voucher, then you would enter that amount here. So let's say I'm sending in $5,000 with this extension request, with this extension voucher, then this is the place to input it. Again, you do not need to send in anything. You do not need to populate this. You can have it blank just like this. This question, check here. If you're out of country, out of country does not mean out of country like you're vacationing in Cancun or in Europe. This is a technical word from the IRS. You can see it here. You're out of country if you're working outside of the US, you're in the military or Navy. So it doesn't mean that you're outside of the US on vacation. So most likely this will not be applicable to you. You're checking this one if you are a non-resident. Okay, you're done. That's it. This is all you needed to do. You just need to mail this in now. And where do you mail this into? You go down to the last page, where to file paper form 4868, which is what you just filled out. It's based off where you live, and it's based off if you're sending in a check with this voucher or not. If you're making a payment, you send it into one of these addresses. If you're not making a payment, it'll be going to one of these addresses. So let's say I live in Illinois, in Chicago, and I am not sending in a payment with this extension request, then I'll be sending it to Fresno, California. If you're in California and you're not sending in a payment with this extension request, then you're sending it here to Fresno, California. If you are in New York and you're not sending in a payment with this extension request, you're sending it to Kansas City. So use this as your guide. This is on page 4, the last sheet. And it's as simple as that. You're literally just sending in this little sheet that says detach here, and that's it. I hope you found that helpful. Please leave any questions or comments below, and please subscribe since we're always making great tax videos and trying our best to help you out. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Take care.